Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Informer's showrooms. Today's deep dive brings a familiar name back into the spotlight. On Bike Informers, we explore the rugged charm and practical upgrades of the 2026 Coleman CT200U, a mini bike that continues to earn its reputation as a tough, trail-ready companion for riders who value simplicity, durability, and real-world fun. A classic mini bike with modern refinement. The 2026 Coleman CT200U stays true to its roots as a no-nonsense off-road mini bike while refining the details that matter most. Known for its straightforward engineering and reliable performance, this latest iteration sharpens the experience with subtle enhancements in comfort, control, and trail confidence, without losing the mechanical honesty that fans love. Design and stance. At first glance, the CT200U retains its unmistakable mini bike silhouette, compact frame, wide tires, and a purposeful stance. The steel tubular chassis emphasizes durability, designed to handle uneven terrain and frequent use. Updated graphics and cleaner finishes for 2026 give it a refreshed look while preserving the rugged, utilitarian aesthetic that defines the model. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 CT200U is a proven single-cylinder, air-cooled 4-stroke engine known for reliability and easy maintenance. Tuned for low-end torque rather than outright speed, the engine delivers confident pull on dirt paths, gravel roads, and mild trails. Throttle response remains smooth and predictable, making it approachable for beginners while still entertaining for experienced riders. Transmission and drivetrain. The torque converter-style automatic transmission continues to be a standout feature. It allows seamless power delivery without manual gear changes, letting riders focus on balance and terrain rather than shifting. This setup improves hill climbing ability and provides smoother acceleration, especially useful for trail riding and casual off-road exploration. Suspension and ride comfort. The 2026 CT200U is built to handle rough ground with confidence. Its rigid rear setup is complemented by front suspension designed to absorb bumps and uneven surfaces. While not intended as a high-performance suspension system, it strikes a balance between simplicity and comfort, offering a stable and forgiving ride across a variety of off-road conditions. Tires and traction. Oversized, low-pressure knobby tires remain a defining feature of the CT200U. These wide tires provide excellent grip on dirt, sand, and loose surfaces while adding stability and confidence for new riders. The tire setup also contributes to the mini bike's ability to float over uneven ground rather than dig in, enhancing control on trail's braking system. For 2026, braking performance remains focused on reliability and ease of use. A mechanical rear disc brake provides consistent stopping power, even in dusty or muddy conditions. The braking feel is progressive and predictable, reinforcing rider confidence and control during slow-speed maneuvers and downhill sections. Ergonomics and rider experience. The upright riding position and wide handlebars make the CT200U comf. Fuel efficiency and practicality. One of the CT200's strengths is its efficiency. The modest fuel tank paired with the economical engine allows for long riding sessions without frequent refueling. This makes it an ideal choice for backyard trails, camping trips, and recreational off-road use where simplicity and dependability are key. Durability and maintenance. Coleman's reputation for tough recreational machines continues with the 2026 CT200U. The engine design is widely known for longevity, and replacement parts are readily available. Routine maintenance is straightforward, making this mini bike especially appealing for owners who prefer hands-on upkeep without complex electronics. Safety and accessibility. Designed with accessibility in mind, the CT200U is approachable for a wide range of riders. Its manageable power output, automatic transmission, and stable chassis make it suitable for beginners, while its sturdy build ensures peace of mind for parents and casual riders alike. It's a mini bike that encourages learning and confidence building in off-road riding. Who the 2026 Coleman CT200U is for. The 2026 Coleman CT200U is ideal for riders seeking a reliable, fun, and easy-to-own off-road mini bike. Whether used for recreational trail riding, property cruising, or weekend adventures, it delivers dependable performance without unnecessary complexity. It's also a solid choice for those who want a platform that's easy to customize and personalize. Final thoughts. The 2026 Coleman CT200U proves that simplicity still has a place in modern power sports. By refining a proven formula rather than reinventing it, Coleman delivers a mini bike that remains rugged, approachable, and enjoyable. On Bike Informers, we see the CT200U as a reminder that fun doesn't always need high tech. Sometimes, all it takes is a solid frame, a reliable engine, and the open trail ahead. Stay tuned to Bike Informers showrooms for more in-depth looks at the machines that keep the spirit of riding alive.